Hi everyone, this is a technical analysis on USDJPY. Let's start with a fundamental overview first. The US dollar this week has been erasing some of the losses experienced last week after the benign US PPI and Trump's reciprocal tariffs announcement. There hasn't been any notable catalyst this week to support the greenback, although some analysts pointed to less dovish comments from Fed's Waller yesterday. On the JPY side, we got the Japanese Q4 GDP this week, and the data came in much higher than expected, which boosted the yen as the market increased the chances for a third rate hike by the end of the year. Today, BOJ's Takata highlighted upside risks to inflation, calling for more rate hikes, although his usual stance is hawkish, so his comments weren't surprising. Now, on the daily chart, we can see that USD/JPY continues to pull back from the lows reached after the US PPI and Trump's reciprocal tariffs. From a risk management perspective, the sellers will have a better risk-reward setup around this trend line to position for a drop into the 149 handle next. The buyers, on the other hand, will want to see the price breaking higher to increase the bullish bets into the 160 handle. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that we have a minor resistance zone around the 152.50 level. If we get a pullback into it, we can expect the sellers to step in with a defined risk above the resistance to position for a break below the 150.93 level here. The buyers, on the other hand, will look for a break higher to increase the bullish bets into the major trend line. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that we have a pretty range-bound price action here as we approach the resistance zone. On an intraday basis, if the price breaks below this most recent higher low at 151.53, then we might see the sellers extended the drop into the 150.93 level next. These red lines define the average daily range for today. For the upcoming catalyst, today we have the FOMC meeting minutes. Tomorrow we get the latest US jobless claims figures, while on Friday we conclude the week with the Japanese CPI and the US flash PMIs.